my phone died. We charging it up, but we just hit the vending machine. The box is a little dented up right there. This thing's sealed. Yeah, so we got lucky today. Let's rip these open. Whole different vending machine on the way home. It's 426 now. I just bought 2 packs to see if it reset. They had more Stellar Crown in there, but I didn't really want more Stellar Crown. Yeah, I've had really good luck with this in the past, so it's cool. Chincho. You get a mask, you get a glass, the last one, Rockdeer. But like I said, I have the worst luck with singles. Trash bag over here. Torkoal, Komala, Coughing, Shuppet, Hop's Choice, Articuno, Postwig. I can see we don't have anything. Oh! Hey! Dang. Okay, there we go. Alright, I'll take it back. I guess you can get stuff out of the loose packs. See, I don't have my neck thing, so we're gonna try to finagle this. Where was it going?